Right, this is another video people have been asking for, so I'm going to do it because I've had quite a few people asking now. I don't know why, but I'm just going to do it because obviously people are liking my videos. It's basically the channels that are on Sky Glass compared to Sky Q. So basically, you can go down to your TV Guide, view all, which is there, and you can view them all from there. That's your all channels. So I'll do it that way first, and it's just easier for you guys. And if you need to pause it, at least you can see what's on there then. If I say that first, ITV Regions, there is an issue with that on ITV and Sky Glass. There's only so many ITV Regions at present. I live in Mid Wales, but I'm picking up Central News. I know quite a few have got different issues around the country, so that is one issue I know they do know about. S4C, because obviously I'm in Wales, you guys should be having Channel 4 there. So apart from that, everything else is the same. So as I say, I'm just going to scroll down. And if you need to pause to have a look what's on there. But what you're going to notice on here as well, where a few people have been asking about the variations up in the 900s for BBC and ITV. There is no variations on Sky Glass, and there's no 900 channels. So be warned of that. The only BBC and ITV you will get is 101 and 103, and that's it. There is some channel, well, I say some channels, there's quite a few channels missing compared to Sky Q. Obviously I'm going through this as, well, not too slow, but not to bore people as well. But it's just for the people that want to see what's actually on Sky Glass. There's a lot, obviously, that we don't watch anyway. I'm just saying clicking the button because I don't want it to fly down there. Oh look, Christmas is coming, guys. So your Christmas movies are on there. Oh, and your Christmas music channels as well popping up. Hey, Christmas must be coming somewhere. Right, so there's obviously your sports and all that now. So what you'll find with these, they're all together, the Sky Sports, but what you'll find the UHD ones are further up the listings. I'll come to those as we're scrolling through. You do get BT Sports on here. That's not an issue. People are saying you don't, but you do. A lot of the news channels has disappeared. You've only got Sky News, BBC News, Parliament, CNBC. We used to watch CNN a lot, but that's disappeared. Hopefully it might come back. Sky Climate, which is one that wasn't there, but that'll probably disappear tonight because that was just a pop-up channel. So right, so like I was saying, here's all your Ultra HDs now. So if you have some movies, your sports, they'll all pop up here. So this is where you need to sort of, if you're adding favourites to your channel, because you can still add favourites like Sky Q. So this is where obviously all your UHDs will come up. So obviously in the 3050s, 30s, sorry. So obviously there is a couple of things on there at the moment. So, but they're in Ultra HD. So if you do want Ultra HD, you have to make sure you add these as a bookmark, well, as a favourite. Because otherwise, when you're down in like the channel 401s, you won't see it. It'll tell you to press a certain button, but it's just easier to find it on here. We're getting used to it now. And basically, you're back to 101. That's all you get now with Sky Glass. Obviously, more will probably pop up in time. It's like everything. Sky Q was pretty. Wasn't much on there when it first started. So as I said, there's no 900 channels. There's no ITV, BBC One variations. You get where you live basically now. So whether they'll add more in time, I don't know. I don't work for Sky, as I said before, so I just do it because people are asking, and I've enjoyed doing them, to be honest. As I say, I'll do more videos, so keep watching. I'm grateful for all the subscribes just the last few weeks, and all the comments and all the likes and all the shares. Any other comments that you want to drop in, just drop them below in the comment section. I'll try and answer again. I'll do some more videos to try and help people. But as I say, thank you very much for all your support. It's muchly appreciated. And we'll speak to you again soon. Bye-bye.